Hello. Please sit down in this chair.
Hello. Thank you very much.
How do you want your hair today?
I want a short haircut, please.
Do you want it very short on the sides?
Yes, very short on the sides, please.
And what about the top?
Please, keep the top a little long.
I understand. Do you want to wash your hair?
No, thank you. I washed it this morning.
Okay, I will start with the machine now.
Is the machine very loud?
No, this machine is very quiet.
Good. I do not like loud noises.
Do not worry, it is very fast.
Perfect. I am in a hurry today.
Look in the mirror. Is this length okay?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you.
Do you want some hair gel?
Yes, just a little bit, please.
All finished. That is $15.
Here is $20. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I want to send this box.
Where is the box going?
It is going to France.
Please put the box on the scale.
Is it very heavy?
No, it is only 2 kilograms.
How much does it cost to send?
It costs $20 for regular mail.
Is there a faster way?
Yes, express mail is $40.
I will take the regular mail, please.
Do you need any stamps?
Yes, I need 2 stamps for these letters.
That is $2 for the stamps.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can pay with a card here.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Here is your receipt.
Goodbye.